Ooh, we have all the tropical vibes going on today. Hi guys, what is up? Today I thought I will give you guys some daylight because, just for a change, I asked you guys on Instagram which haul do you guys want to see specifically, and everybody was like, please do Meesho, please do Meesho. So here we are. Today we have a Meesho haul. तो हम एक giveaway भी करेंगे. एक कुर्ती giveaway करूंगी मैं, and we'll talk about the giveaway later in the video. Now let's get started. This is the first one. So this is like a crop shirt top. It's a very cute red color. It's like a vibrant red. It has a very nice structured stitching, which again I super love. Goes a bit in around the waist, so it like gives a nice vibe. It has cute cuts around the waistline as well. आगे भी और पीछे भी. तो बहुत खूबसूरत सा डिजाइन है इसका. The fabric is polycrep, so it's like flowy kind of material. ऐसे खड़ा नहीं रहेगा. It's gonna be nice and flowy. Vintage 90s vibe kind of sleeve. Formal coat वाला collar होता है, kind of like that. I got this in medium size. अच्छा खासा सस्ता है. It's only for 500 guys. If anybody of y'all watched हमसफर, फवाद खान, मायरा खान, ठीक है, उसमें जैसे मायरा के कपड़े होते थे, this gave me that vibe, like very simple and pretty kind of. Fabric की खूबसूरती दिखती है उसमें, sort of like that. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's a kurti set. It has anarkali sort of kurti. It has full sleeves. अब फोटो में it showed कि sleeve में आगे crunched पोर्शन भी है, लेकिन इट फॉल्स अराउंड हर. कुर्ती बहुत ज्यादा लंबी भी नहीं है, विच आई लाइक, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा लंबी होती है तो आई लुक शॉर्ट. आई गॉट इट इन मीडियम साइज. प्लेट्स आर लाइक बिट डिस्टेंट, सो आई डोंट पर्टिकुलरली लव द स्टिचिंग ऑफ इट. बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है कि जल्दीबाजी में किसी ने बस इसे बना दिया. मटीरियल इसका जो है वो मेरी मॉम को मैंने दिखाया. शी डिडंट लव इट एज मच. शी सेड थोड़ा सस्ता वाला मटीरियल है, ऐसे नॉर्मल सा जॉर्जेट मटीरियल है. इट ऑल्सो हैज लाइनिंग अंदर से. द प्लाजो हैज इलास्टिक वेस्ट. प्लाजो के अंदर भी लाइनिंग है. दुपट्टा इज ऑल्सो प्लेन जॉर्जेट, ब्लैक प्लेन दुपट्टा है, विच आई रियली लाइक. प्रिंट की इन्होंने बॉर्डर लगाई हुई है. मटीरियल के हिसाब से प्राइस मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा लगा. फिलहाल इसका प्राइस बढ़ गया है. इट्स फॉर 900 समथिंग. आई बॉट इट फॉर 797 रुपीज. So we have one more kurti set which I wore on Diwali with pehle wale ka dupatta, and everybody loved it. It's like a super simple kurti set. Now let's see the price of this. This is super cheap, okay? Now I know इसमें material भी कम लगा है, so that's why it's cheap. उसमें काफी ज़्यादा material लगा है considering lining and everything. I got it in medium size. I still feel it's a bit bigger, like around here and around the waist. It has adjustable straps. It has a very simple embroidery, silver color की, and इसके नीचे बहुत पतला सा गोटा लगा हुआ है. Very simple cute detailing. It has a matching pant with it. So this is like a cigarette cut pant. It has pockets also, which I love. Pant के नीचे silver color की गोटा लगाई हुई है. If you're going to the mall and stuff, you can wear it. If you're going to have like a little party, you can wear it. No dupatta, nothing. ठीक है. I wore this dupatta with it on Diwali. Here's the picture right here. I loved it. It's very simple material. It's rayon, but it's a patla kapda. It's not super thick, but it's not like transparent or anything. Best thing about it is the price. This is only for 466. Come on, टॉप से भी ज्यादा सस्ता है, ठीक है. let's show you one more top from the same seller. Very pretty green top. ठीक है, when I bought it इसमें sizes ही available नहीं थे. फिलहाल सारे size available हैं. मैं इतनी ज़्यादा excited हो गई थी इसको लेने के लिए just because the print is so cute. Look at that, and the design is also very cute. This is again in polycrepe material. It has smoked portion around the waist. It has puffy sleeves. लेकिन जो इसका elastic है, इसे tight वाला elastic नहीं है. It's very ऐसे हल्का वाला. It has square neck. So if you get it in your own size, it should be good. But I bought it in a large size, so वो वैसे आगे बार बार गिरता है, तो I have to pin it. It's a very cute design. Again, the price of this is nice. It's just for 500 rupees. Now let's move on to the next thing. I'll give you the giveaway details after I show you this. This is a very simple kurti set. Material of this is rayon. I got it in medium size. It has a simple neckline with like a piping going on. It has like bell sleeves. ज़्यादा बड़ी bell sleeves नहीं है. Sort of off-white, and it has navy blue का print on it, which sort of looks like tie-dye, but it's not tie-dye. It's print. तो medium पे अच्छे से fit होती है. It's not big. It's not small. It's like a cigarette cut pant, लेकिन नीचे से थोड़ा सा narrow है. It has elastic waist and it's simple rayon material. So right now this is available for 514 rupees. It's pretty affordable. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway of this kurti set, pant and a kurti. एक winner होगा giveaway का. So here are the giveaway rules. First, you need to be subscribed to my channel. Second rule, you need to follow me on my Instagram. Third rule, leave a comment that you're participating, so I know you're participating. In the comment, just say that I'm medium size and I would like to participate. And you have to give me your Instagram username in the comment as well. Username एकदम correct होना चाहिए. In the later video I announce, and if you don't see it, I can directly contact you. I will announce the giveaway winners on 1st January, New Year के दिन, ठीक है? In a YouTube post, community post होता है ना, उस पे and on my Instagram stories, ठीक है? Now this is it. All the best for the giveaway. Now this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Earrings are from Urbanic. Links will be in the description. Meesho के सारे codes मैं description में डाल दूंगी. You guys can go check it out. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram right here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you guys next time. Until then, lot of kisses and love. Bye, guys.